Hey, Mr. Rick, you reckon I could see you just for a minute or two?
Well, I reckon I'm a little busy.
It won't take long.
All right, what you want?
All right, then. Well, look here, I was thinking, since I'm gonna be staying in here a while and all, what do you think about me painting this here ROV?
Well, I see it might not be too bad.
A whole lot of it's starting to come off on its own and all, and I was just thinking, it sure would look prettier if you'd let me paint it and all.
Well, it might.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Well, look right here.
Some people like that patina, you know? Yeah.
Yes, sir. See right up in here how it looks?
I see.
Yeah, right back here looks real bad. I could wash it off and then I could do a bunch of sanding on it and all. And then I could come over here on this side and I could do the same on this side over here. And I could paint it and it would look real pretty. And
pretty for
I wouldn't be afraid to ask my girlfriend or somebody like that over here. The trailer be looking good. What do you think?
I'll give it some thought.
Just think it'd look better. Well,
it might. I agree. Yeah.
Well, look here, you give it some abstract style then, and I will. You get back with me when you want to, and I promise I'll do you a good job and all.
I know you would. I need to talk to Miss Janet about it.
All right, then.
Okay? All right. He thought we were going to do something. All right. We'll see. It might look better.